contact force. In the contact force, muscular force. Example, see. Yes or no? That animal, how it is trying to carry out many difficult tasks because of muscular force. Yes or no? If you want to lift anything, any object, so what is required? Some force is required. That force is called muscular force. Contact force, one more example, friction. The force responsible for changing the state of a motion of object is the force of friction. Simply we can say friction is opposing force. See here, a ball is rolling along the ground, right? So when you throw a ball, it moves. After some time, gradually it slow down and come to rest. Because some force is acting. Example, observe carefully here. So, for example, when you are throwing like this, the ball is going like this. In this way, the force is. So, opposite one force, that is called frictional force. The force of friction between the surface of the ball and the ground. So, surface of the ball and the ground. Yes or no? Example, see. This is also example for the friction. It is contact force. Contact force, muscular force, friction force, right? Force of friction between the water and boat also. Here is the water. So surface of the water on this boat. So there is a friction, right? It is also example for the contact force. The force of friction always acts on all the moving objects. If it is not in motion, moving, there is no friction. If it is also not, no. Friction direction is always opposite to direction of motion. Very, very most important point, keep in your mind. Are you catching what I'm saying here? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is very, very most important, keep in your mind. Friction direction is always opposite. Example, so the friction force is here, applied force, both are in opposite direction. I hope you all of you getting what I'm saying here. Is it right or wrong, Amma? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The next one, see, non-contact force. Without any contact, physical contact, there is no any physical contact. Example, magnetic force. See here, there is no any contact between these two objects. It's a magnetic force. It's a non-contact force. Yes or no? We're not applying any force. Yes, because yeah, there is not require any physical contact. See, automatically it is attracting towards. Yes or no? Attraction or repulsion
Yes.
between the
Two magnets.
yes. A magnet can exert a force on another magnet. Yes or no? Without being in contact.
Being in contact with it.
Yes, because this is called non-contact force. So one more example for the non-contact force, electrostatic force.
Force.
The force exerted by a charged body and another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. Number of examples we can see this one also. Yes, because what's happening here, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Because of what force? Electrostatic force only.
Electrostatic force.
So before this one, before the electrostatic force, take a comb, amma, comb. Okay, comb your hair. Then you just piece of papers, they attract. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that is static electricity. Yeah. Next one, non-contact force, one more, gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
There is also no contact because, for example, when you throw one ball upwards, it will fall or not
Yes, it
because of
falls.
some force that is called gravitation. Every object in the universe exerts a force on every other objects. This force is known as the gravitational force or gravity.
Yes.
Example, take a fruit or some fruit or ball, or we'll take the fruit. The fruit is falling from a tree. Yes or no? Which direction it will go, upwards or downwards? Downwards, because of gravity, because of gravitational force. See here, one tree is how? Yes. Example, see. Yes, the tree is falling down or not? Yes. Gravitational force is an attractive force. So this is about the force. The force are two types are there. One is the contact force. Number two is called non-contact force. Example for contact force and example for non-contact force we have discussed. Next, coming to the pressure. So what is the pressure here? Pressure means what? How can you understand the pressure?
Force by area.
So yes, the force acting normally on a unit area of a surface. So that pressure we can represent it by letter P. Here, force acting normally, that is nothing but thrust. Thrust by area, surface area, we will take like this. Or in some textbook, P is equals to F by A also. But actually, this is correct. See here, force acting normally. So when your force is acting normally, that is called thrust. Yes. Now see here, example I am showing here. See. Yes, on the surface. Once again, observe carefully. How the force acting? Here. Check this one. Force acting like this perpendicular means normal to the surface. There's a white surface is there, no? Okay. So 1 meter this. Yeah. Pressure is equals to what we can write, force by area on which it acts, or P is equals to F by A, just before what we have discussed. F by A or T by A, thrust by area. That is important here. Thrust by area. Yes. For a given force, if area decreases, pressure increases. This is a very, very most important point. Keep your mind. So, yeah, area decreases, pressure what happens? Increases. Very, very most important point here.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, momentum is also denoted by P, no, sir?
Yes. P. That is also P. That is also P. Okay. P is equals to that is
Sir,
mv.
T and then, sir.
Yeah, ma?
Sir, T and
Thrust. When force acting like this perpendicularly, that is called thrust by area. We can call. See example, pushing a nail into a wooden plank. Nail into a wooden plank. See, when you observe the nail, have you seen the nail? How is the nail? You know, nail ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ షార్ప్ గా ఉంటుంది ముందర ఎడ్జ్ షార్ప్ గా ఉంటుంది కదా ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంటుంది yes ఇక్కడ షార్ప్ గా ఉంటుంది because here yes or no this area is very very small so it exerts more pressure exerts more pressure. Now we'll see this one also. The area of the pointed end of the nail is much smaller than that of its head. See once again this all of you. Observe carefully. Pushing a nail into wooden plank. See, it went out down now.
Yes, sir.
Because see how is this edge here? Very, very small. So that's why it exerts more pressure. It increases the pressure. Area of the pointed end of the nail is much smaller than its of head. The head along the larger ga undi, smaller ga undi. Yes. Are you catching everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this pressures, yeah. Here pressure exerted by liquid and gases. If we fill a gas tube with water, the water exerts pressure on the wall of the tube. Yes or no? See, now you'll see. If you fill a glass tube with a gas, the gas exerts pressure on the wall of the tube. Liquids also exerts a equal pressure at the same depth. Now we will see this one also. Human blood exerts pressure on valves called blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
See here, water here, liquid exerts pressure, right? So that we will see the one video, okay? Observe carefully this board. Here, how the liquids exerts the pressure. How the liquids exerting the pressure.
Don't know, sir.
Observe here, diagram. Sorry, diagram not, it's video you can see. Focus on the video. Are you able to see what I am showing? Yes. See, four sides. The water is filled with bottle. See now, this side and this side, four sides are water is falling equally. Right? See now here. See in the above, the water is here. When you here one hole is there. See from this hole, the water is falling here. From this hole, water is falling here. Yes or no? So when is compared to the top, this bottom of this hole, see the water is coming with the high pressure. Yes or no? So that means what? Liquid also exerts the pressure. Liquids also exert the pressure. Yes. Yes. See here, above is the low pressure. Here down one is the high pressure. It is creating high pressure. So liquids exerts pressure, how you can see. Yes. Water exerts equal pressure in all directions. In all directions. In same depth. Water pressure increases with the depth. See here, liquid exerts, observe carefully, liquid exerts upward pressure. Yes or no? See now it's a lateral pressure. Yes, here downward pressure, here upward pressure. So when you push the ball downwards in the water, yes or no, it exerts upward. So yes, the water, yes or no? So one is a lateral pressure, downward pressure, upward pressure. Liquids exerts a pressure in all the directions. Liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. Pressure exerted by liquid increases with the increase in the height of its column.